Hello guys, can I quickly encourage or remind someone? Sin is not a problem because Jesus dealt with sin. When Christ died, he died with sin. And when he rose, he left sin in the grave. So sin is not an issue or the problem. Satan is also not a problem because Jesus dealt with Satan. He made a public spectacle of Satan and his co-host according to Colossians 2 verse 15. So Satan is not a problem. Do you know what the problem is? Is ignorance, the state of not knowing, lack of knowledge. That's the problem. Because why does some Christians or why does people feel they are far from God or they are far or the Lord is far from them? It's because you are relying too much on your feelings instead of relying on the scriptures. It's because you do not know the scriptures, so now you rely on your feelings, your emotions, and your senses. Because Jesus made it impossible for you to be far from God. Jesus made it impossible for God to be far from you. So regardless of how you feel, don't let your feelings lie to you. Rather, read the scriptures. Read the scriptures because you are in Christ. Christ is in you. You are one. There's a union. You are one with God. So you cannot be far. Regardless of how you feel. Regardless of how you feel, you cannot be far from God. So get to that point where you grow in the scriptures, where you read the scriptures in order for the scriptures to dominate above your feelings.